Hey, this is Muddy Taco. I got the new Empire Magna drive loader with the RF board. I'm going to be installing it on my Clips Factory cocker with E2 board in it. I'm going to show you how to install the board, and then I'm going to show you how to sync it, and then I'm going to do some drop tests with reballs using RF mode. Alright, first I'm going to show you the voltage that the board puts out. I'm going to be connecting it to the cocking solenoid so the loader will spin right before the bolt opens to let the ball drop in. You can see when it's shooting, puts out roughly 7 volts. Should be enough to have a good signal strength up to the loader. Right, I'm going to install the board. When you open up the package, you get the RF board and 3 different harnesses. Comes with one, if you have a connector on your board, use RF, such as the new Tadao boards. And then it comes with 2 different harnesses to hook it in line with your solenoid. There's 2 different size connectors, one big, one small. I know the smaller one fits in line with an intimidator, and the bigger one fits the cocker. Alright, so you just take this harness, plug it in, take the wires coming from the Noid, plug it in line, and then you simply plug the board in and you're done. It's all ready to go. When you pull the trigger, there's an LED down here that lets you know it's getting a signal. And that's it for installing the board. I'm going to show you how to sync it next. Alright, I'm going to sync it now. I've never done this before, so we'll see how hard it is. It says turn the loader on. While the loader is on, hold it, it goes to a red LED, then amber. Press the trigger, goes green, it's synced. So it's really not that hard, I just did it for the first time. Alright, I just showed you how to sync the gun to the Magna. It was extremely easy, I've never done it before. It worked right the first time. So now I'm going to show you how it works. I turn the speed setting up to 6 because I'm going to show you the spring tension monitoring next. But you can see RF works extremely nice. Alright, you can hear how it just goes full on. Got it on ramping. It's just going full on because I don't have spring tension on. Turn it off. I'm gonna go into programming. Show you how to turn it on. When the white LED comes up, you hold it. It'll show you my settings. Green speed, it's at 6 right now. Yellow is sound, it's at 3. Red is spring tension monitoring, it's at 1, it means off. When red LED comes up, you tap it twice, turn it back on. Blink twice to show me that it saved the setting. Now the hopper's off. Turn it back on. You can hear it at full speed when you first hit the trigger, but if you get on it and it doesn't sense tension on the spring, it'll also slow the motor down. You'll be able to hear it because I have the motor turned up. You can hear how much it slowed the motor down, prevent popcorning when you don't have very many balls left. Alright, I'm going to do a couple drop tests now. It's really not going to be a speed test because I didn't order the upgrade kit with all the clutch plates and magnets, so it's just stock setting, which is really loose for reballs. The clutch slips a lot. But I will show you the difference in the spring tension monitoring. Alright, spring tension is turned off right now, so it'll just be full speed with the RF. You can see how it's popcorning them at the end. Alright, I got spring tension monitoring turned on now. Show you the effect it has on popcorning at the end. You can see it didn't popcorn the balls nearly as much as it did last time. I'll try to get some paint this weekend, show you some real drop tests and on-gun performance. Okay, I just showed you how to sync the pulse.